Hi guys, so today I got another dumpling, and I got this. I don't know how to unlock it. I think I'll have to get a picture. I already took off the box for this, so let's do this first. I think I have to do the picture. I think it's like that, yeah. What I got. Ooh! I like it. It's cool. And I like flavor things. I got a dumpling. Again. So let's open it. Fourth dumpling. The other one broke, so now it's 3. But, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It fell, but it's cool. It's another rainbow. Again. Look. I don't like screaming, so I don't scream. But, yeah. Huh? Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys. Since I got this, and I got this, I feel like I'm gonna go and grab something real fast, so be right back. Let me grab it. Should I pause it? Just wait. Okay, guys, I got the dumplings. So, I'm gonna line them up. So, first I have this one. Then I have this one. It's losing its face. I don't know how. And then, last one is blue. Which one was your first one? This one. Oh, the middle. This one was my second. This is my third. Oh. What? I have to put the lid on lid. But yeah. Good things about the end though. Have a good day. Bye.